Hey everyone! We have been camped out by this river for the past couple days, and we've had a couple other campers, but it's actually been very quiet and peaceful.
Yep.
And we have relaxed and just enjoyed it. We had a little beaver that would come up at night and get some dinner and eat it over here, and then Buddy would bark at him, and the beaver did not care whatsoever about
Pay no
Buddy.
attention to that doggy barking.
No. But he was protecting us. So today we are packing up and headed to what's supposed to be a hidden waterfall that you can camp at, but we'll see what it's like. If it's not good camping, then we'll probably turn around and come back here for the night, and then tomorrow is Tofino.
Yeah. So this hidden waterfall thing, it's on Onyx, rated as a 5. It sounds like there's only one really kind of suspecty area, but we'll see. It's only 13 minutes down the road, so we're not traveling very far. So
No.
That's why if it doesn't work out, we can either head a little closer to Tofino and try to find a spot, or come back here, pick a different spot to camp for the night, and then Tofino tomorrow, like she said.
Yeah, there's a really good spot right down the way a little bit.
A little more covered with trees and stuff like that, but this one was great.
It was great. So enjoy the adventure. See ya. We had enjoyed a few days of sunshine, peaceful camping, and some much needed relaxation. On most of our adventures, we're always on the go, trying to explore as much as possible in the limited time that we have. But there always comes a point when we need to just stay put and unwind for a few days. Maybe it's all the packing and unpacking, the consistent navigating, or just the need to let our minds shut down for a bit. Whatever the reason, we really needed these few days to refresh and reset. Now we were ready to hit the trails again and see what new adventures awaited us. We started by making our way back out of the forest, navigating the windy, narrow path that we had come familiar with. Since we didn't have too many miles to cover that day, we decided to take our time and explore more of the areas around the river. We came across a few other spots and even encountered some fellow campers along the way. Unfortunately, we also spotted some trash that had been left behind, a reminder of the importance of protecting these wild places. But after seeing more of the area, we were reassured that our campsite had been the perfect choice for us. Nestled along the river, our spot offered a rare sense of serenity with the soothing sound of water flowing right by our side. One thing about exploring is that you never really know what you will find, and there's always that lingering thought, did we pick the right spot, or is there something even better just around the bend? It was nice to have the time to fully explore the area before we moved on. That's something we don't often get to do on our fast-paced journeys, so it felt like a welcome change. Once we hit the pavement again, we were excited to head towards a hidden gem, a hidden secret waterfall. After seeing some stunning photos and doing our research, we were determined to find it. The trail leading to the waterfall is just a little over 2 miles long, but it takes nearly an hour to reach due to its challenging terrain. Surrounded by dense trees and low-hanging branches, the trail gave our Jeep a fresh set of Vancouver Island pinstriping. At first, the trail was manageable with only a few deep washouts, but soon we reached a water crossing that had a steep incline with some pretty sizable rocks. I jumped out to help guide the way as much as I could, and after a few attempts, Chris and the Jeep found the right line and powered through it without a hitch. Not long after, the trail opened up and we were rewarded with the sight of a breathtaking waterfall. It was a perfect reminder of why we love doing this, exploring off the beaten path and discovering nature's hidden treasures. So that was a fun trail, not too difficult until the very end, but check out what we got rewarded with. And we get to camp right at the falls. It's gorgeous. So we got here at about 11 o'clock and just hung out. We sunbathed on the rocks, we had dinner, just relaxed and enjoyed. And we got some new campers that just came up, and they're actually from Ohio. So they're from a far journey just like us, but they're on the other side of those bushes. So it's a beautiful spot. That'll be it for tonight. As we admired the waterfalls, we were reminded of why we continue seeking these wild places. Each journey brings new challenges, but the reward is always worth it. Whether it's a secluded campsite or hidden waterfalls, these are the moments that makes overlanding so special. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more journeys into the wild. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and let us know in the comments where some of your favorite places are to explore. And remember, life is a journey. Might as well make it an epic one.